Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video, we're going to take a look at dollar CAD. We've been following this chart for a couple of weeks now. We've been looking at how price will develop as it gets towards key support and resistance zones. And what we talked about in particular last week was the fact that the market was ranging in this 4-hour area through here, and we're expecting a breakout to the upside. We're expecting a breakout to the upside because of our weekly chart. What we found was that the market had been at this area before in the past, found numerous levels of support and resistance. The RSI was in an overbought condition whilst we had a nice bullish candlestick. This often led us to a pullback opportunity on the weekly trend, so we're actually looking to buy this market up into key levels of resistance levels, and now we can see on the 4-hour time frame we have this really nice trend developing in here. So where's are the good areas to buy from? Now the first area that I want to mark out is the most traded area of last week, because typically this is where institutions are doing their business in the markets, and we can see in this range here the most traded area was around about 127.50. so if price was to pull back into this area, this would be a really good place to look for some long opportunities. Now price doesn't always come back into these levels. They can just take off from these points and then come back to them at a later date. That is very common, but when they do get to these levels, they do react pretty nicely, especially for us trading. We can look at these sort of short-term impulses off of these levels. So one area is that 1.2750. The next area of interest for me is going to be a little bit higher, so just in this area here, around about 1282, okay, because price again has found multiple area of support and resistance. We have resistance, 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 recently support. So if price was to come back down to this point, maybe we get some type of consolidation after this recent rally. If price was to consolidate in this area, another great area to be involved is around about this 128.30, okay, or as I described it, 1.2822. Somewhere in and around this point looks really decent for some long opportunities as well. Okay, so dollar CAD looking very, very good to the upside. We've been tracking this for a couple of weeks. Have a little look at this potential reversal setup of the weekly trend, and we'll see how this one plays out. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon.